Good morning, Nirvan. How are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
Very good, very good. Well, to all the viewers, here is another video with my grandson, Nirvan. He's in grade 5 and is ready for algebra. Nirvan, can you tell us how you became ready for algebra?
So, in the past 3 months, I worked a lot. I learned about fractions, integers, and exponents, and that helped me also understand bedmath. So, I think I'm ready for algebra now.
I think you are. In our very first video, we kind of introduced some very basic principles to solve linear equations, and you did fairly well. Well, this video is for parents and teachers. Our strategy for guiding students, engaging minds, and creative thinking has helped us, and here is an example before you. So Nirvan did pre-algebra in last 3 months, and in these 3 months, he's going to learn some basic skills of algebra. So let's begin with our second video on algebra. Nirvan, today I'll introduce you some more concepts where we are going to have numbers on both sides of the equation, and we'll use the principles learned in the last video. I should say the last lesson. Let me share with you the screen now. So today at level 2 of solving equation, what we have is equations which involve more than 2 steps. So we'll learn how do we estimate and check our solutions. We'll also learn how do we perform same operations on both the sides to solve the equations. We'll also get to know the reverse operation concepts. And then we'll have a practice test for you. Okay?
Okay, I'm ready.
Great. So let's begin with some examples. Here we have question number 1, which is 2x minus 1 equals to 11. Now, let me show you the steps. How do we solve such equations? So we have the equation 2x minus 1 equals to 11. We could actually add 1 on both the sides. The idea is to have only x value on the
Actually,
left-hand side.
wait, you accidentally wrote 1.
You are right. So let me make it 11. Perfect. Yes. So now, when you add them up, you basically get 2x equals to 11 plus 1, which is 12. And now, to get the value of x, we are going to divide both sides by 2. Right? You have to do same operations on both the sides, and we get the value of x as equal to 6. Perfect. Now, as you graduate and learn better, you can actually simplify this equation in another way. So let's say I have second method here for you. We have 2x minus 1 equals to 11. See, when you add 1 on both the sides, what happens? You get 2x on the left side and you get 11 plus 1. You see, the sign changes. When you transpose or transfer the minus to the right side of the equation, it becomes plus, as you can see here, right? So we combine a couple of steps in doing so. We get 2x equals to 12. Dividing by 2, we could write x equals to 12 by 2, which is 6. So these are also the correct steps to solve the equation. To begin with, method 1 seems to be easier, but as you graduate, you move on to method 2, right, Nirvan?
Yeah.
Feel free to use any of these 2 methods to solve these equations. So can you solve the second question for me? 3x minus 2 equals to 16,
Okay, so for this question, you can bring 2 to the other side. So 3x equals to 16 plus 2,
which
which
is,
is 18.
yeah,
So then when you write 3x equals to 18, then x equals to 18 divided by 3, which is 6.
perfect. That's the right answer. Question number 3, can you please solve it?
Okay, 2x plus 3 equals to 7. You could do the same way. You bring 3 the other side, right? It was plus 3 before, and then it'll become minus equals 7 minus 3.
Correct?
So then 2x equals 4. And then x equals to 4 divided by 2, which is 2.
Perfect. Next one.
3x plus 5 equals 20. So I know 15 plus 5 is 20, so x is 5.
Oh, very good. That's a very good answer which you gave. So, what Nirvan is saying right here is that he knows that 15 plus 5 is 20, right? 15 plus 5 is 20. That means 3x is 15 or x is equal to 15 divided by 3, which is 5, right? So that is how he solved this using inspection, right? That's a great way of solving, but we'll not get to this method at this stage, Nirvan. I know you have a lot of tricks to do, but let's follow the standard method, okay? Move on to question number 5.
2x minus 6 equals 4. So then 2x equals to 4 plus 6 because it was minus before.
Yeah,
Yeah, so then 2x equals to 10. And then x equals to 10 divided by 2, 10 over 2, which is 5.
correct. Next question.
3x plus 2 equals 17. 3x equals to 17 minus 2, which is 15, and x equals to 15 divided by 3, which is 5.
Absolutely right. So easily you could do these examples, right? So this
Yeah.
is what we are calling level 2. Since we have at least 3 steps to find the solution of these questions. These are more practice questions at this stage. I will like my subscribers to pause the video, answer the questions, and check the solution with Nirvan. So Nirvan, now can you help me solve these equations 7 to 12?
Okay, I'll do it.
Yeah,
2x minus 9 equals 21. So 2x equals to 21 plus 9, which is 30. So then 2x equals to 30. So x equals to 30 divided by 2, which is 15.
correct. Next.
Question 8. 3x plus 4 equals 10. Uh, 3x equals to 10 minus 4, which is 6. And then x equals to 6 divided by 3, which is 2.
Next.
2x plus 3 equals 1. 2x equals to 1 minus 3, which is minus 2.
Very good.
Oh, wait, let me explain how you how
Yes.
to solve 1 minus 3.
Yeah.
I have a trick for this.
So 1 minus 3, actually we are stepping into integers, right? We are actually subtracting a bigger number from a smaller number. Yes, Nirvan. So what is your trick to do 1 minus 3?
So, 1 minus 3 can be hard because then you have to go down 0 minus 1 minus 2.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
this is minus 2, right? So
yeah.
instead, you could just do 3 minus 1, which equals to 2.
So
It's
let me explain
standard.
this. Let me explain this 0 minus 1
Yeah.
minus 2 concept
I
also.
have another way too.
Yeah,
Just
so from 1, what Nirvan is saying that minus 3 means you have to move left 3 steps, right? So when you do that, you reach minus 2. And that is one way of figuring it out, right? So what is the next step? Tell me.
for me, there's another way.
Yeah.
You bring 1 to the other side, then minus 3 minus 1.
See,
Then if
move
you,
on to the other side, so it becomes negative, and you can 3
yeah,
minus 1, and so it is negative 2. So that is
yeah.
amazing. That is the best way to do it, and think in your own mind. Perfect. So let's move on, Nirvan. You showed a very good trick. Now, question number 10, how will you solve?
3x minus 13 equals 5. 3x equals to 5 plus 13, which is 18. X equals to 18 divided by 3. Because you bring the 3 on the other side, then it would be 6.
Perfect. 11.
2x plus 6 equals to minus 10.
Hmm.
Let's see how I add it. So
Yeah,
that equals to minus 10. 2x equals to minus 10 plus 6.
correct.
So you know how you do this time?
Yeah, yeah.
You add 11, 12, 13. I mean, you don't go higher because it's a negative number. If you add, it's gonna start going to the direction of where 0 is. So then it
Yes, yes.
minus 9, like subtraction, and then it would be minus 4. Just the same thing, you bring it to the other side.
Yes.
I think so. I have
And
to
then
check.
you do 10 minus 6 with a negative sign, correct?
Yeah. So then it
And
would be
that is,
minus 4.
oh, x is equal to how much? Minus 4 divided by 2?
It's minus 4 divided by 2 is minus 2.
Perfect. So that is how we do it. So if the bigger number is negative, when you add them up, you get a negative result, right? Question number 12. 2x plus 5 equals to 1. What is x equals to? Tell me. How will you?
2x equals to 1 minus 5. So this time it's like 5 minus 1 and a negative sign, so minus 4.
Correct.
So then x equals to minus 4 divided by 2, which is minus 2. Same answer.
Correct. So when you divide a negative number with a positive number, you get a negative result.
So
Right.
them are
As shown.
equivalent, right? Number 11 and number 12, right?
They got the same answers. Correct. Now, you're ready for the test. We're done 12 questions, right? So
Yeah.
rapid fire test. Can you tell me 2x minus 1 equals to 3, Nirvan? How are you going
Um,
to solve it?
x equals to 2.
Oh, x equals to 2. That is correct. You can verify. Next question. 3x plus 4 equals to 10.
X equals to 2.
How do you know that?
Because I know 3 times 2 is 6. That's faster.
Yes, correct.
The
Next
first
question.
question, but I know the other way too.
2x plus 3 is 13
X equals 5.
because 10 plus 3 is 13. 3x
Yeah.
minus 3 is 0.
1. X equals 1.
2x minus 6 is 0.
X equals to 3.
Correct. 2x minus 7 equals to 1. What will you do in this case?
2, X equals to 8. Oh, never mind, it's not. X equals to 4.
Yeah, 2x equals to 8, x equals to 4. Perfect.
Yeah.
Next set of questions. 2x minus 9 equals to 7.
Um,
So let's go slow. We'll
oh
follow.
yeah, 2. Okay, let's do the steps again. I know the
Yeah,
answer. I'll just do
yeah,
this.
correct. Let's do the
Okay.
steps.
2x equals to 7 plus 9, which is 16. So then x equals to 16 divided by 2, 8.
Correct. Next.
3x plus 5 equals to 11. 3x equals to 11 minus 5, which is 7. Oh, never, 6.
Yeah.
Uh, oh yeah, and then x equals to 6 divided by 3, 2.
Perfect. Next.
Next question, 2x plus 13 equals 1. 2x equals to 1 minus 13
Yeah.
is minus 12.
Correct. Because minus 13 is a bigger number as such. So you get a negative result. So x
Because
is
if you
equals to.
minus 1 from 13, it would become 12 and there would be 0.
You are right.
0 minus 12 would be minus 12, so that's
You
how I
are
got it.
right.
Yeah, you wrote the next step, and that would be equal to minus 6.
Correct. Question 10.
3x plus 11 equals to 2.
Yeah.
3x equals to 2 minus 11
Which is?
is minus 9.
And so x is equal to.
X is equal to minus 9 divided by 3, which is minus 3.
11th question.
2x plus 6 equals to minus 18. I mean
2x
minus
minus 6 is minus 18. So 2x is equal to how much?
x is equal to minus 18 plus 6, which
Which
is
is how much?
minus 12.
So x is
X equals to minus 12 over 2, which is minus 6.
correct. 2x plus 5 equals to 1. What is x equals to?
2x equals to 1 minus 5, which is minus 4. So then x equals to minus 4 divided by 2, which is minus 2.
Perfect. So with that, we come to an end of this interesting series. So Nirvan actually mastered this level 2. In the next video, we'll see more linear equations and that will include some fractions also. I hope you enjoyed the journey. Nirvan, thanks a lot for your time. How will you summarize today's lesson for our viewers?
Mm. Today, I learned about more complicated concepts of doing algebraic equations today.
Perfect. And I liked your method of estimating the solution directly from the left hand side. That was great. And we also learned how we can do same operations on both the sides to solve the equations or transpose the numbers to the right and get the solution. I hope you enjoyed the video. Feel free to like and subscribe to this series with Nirvan. Thank you once again and all the best. Have a great day. Bye.
Bye. Was that one video or two videos? Two. No,
That,
one.
yeah, that's it for today.
Because